Finally, justice has been given to OSINACHI, our beloved sister, a blessing to our generation. Because, yes, everyone is on top of this matter. This isn't like those matters that will just be swept under the carpet. But this lady has gotten justice because the Minister of Affairs of Women is on top of this matter. And she said that after hearing a lot from the children of Osinachi, because she had a one-on-one contact with the children, she asked them questions and she gathered a whole lot. Because of that, this man here will face the law. Yes, he is going to face the law. And as we all can see, that her sister, which is her twin, is heartbroken. She is heartbroken. Who wouldn't be heartbroken? This man has done the worst and he has actually, dealt with the wrong person because in his mind, he thinks that, oh, I'm going to go free. But he never knew that something hotter, than fire awaits him. And we all believe as this case has been taken to the High Court in Abuja, justice will be given to this beloved lady, beloved sister, beloved mother and daughter to her family. It is just so painful that a man that should celebrate the glory of God upon the life of his wife is not the one that has turned to beat her till, oh my God, it is really painful. And I wonder and I say, why will a man be jealous of your own wife, of your own wife's success, knowing fully well that whenever she's successful, automatically you too, you are successful. This jealousy has eaten up a whole lot of family. It has taken away joy. It has taken away peace, just like in the life or in the family of our sister Osinachi. May her soul rest in peace. Now we all believe that the courts are going to give justice to our beloved sister. So it is not left for them to decide if he's guilty or innocent. So it is not left for them to decide if he is innocent. But we all know there is no man that would beat and, treat the wife as though she's not human that would ever come out innocent, in such a situation. And I pray that this situation will be handled so well. I know that there are so many women that are also going through this, maybe because they don't have that voice, but Osinachi's case is that voice to them. Osinachi's case, has actually made so many people, to stand up to them, to stand up to these men that are women beater. Because if you're a woman beater and you're a man, then you're not man enough. And if you as a man, you even want to beat or you want to show that you are powerful, why not just go outside and face your fellow men? Yes, face your fellow men and fight with them. Face your fellow men. Like even up to today, her disease is still like a dream because the day when I heard about it, I was like saying, I refuse to accept it, but reality.com, it is true. She's no more with us. So that means we wouldn't hear her lovely and her great voice. But thanks be to God that while she was on earth, she made good use of her time. She invested in life positively. She touched life. And I know that heaven is proud of her. Yes, because her life or her stay here on earth were positive. Although she was also going through a whole lot of things, tough time. Yes, she came out and she sings with all of her heart. I don't know. Whenever she sings, there's just this, totalness of her. She's just giving it all to God. She's worshiping God in truth and in spirit, not knowing that she's going through a whole lot of pain, not knowing that she's going through a whole lot of tears. Yet upon all her tears, she found it worthy to give God the praise. She found it worthy to worship God. And I want to thank God that because this situation or her case is not just, them say case, it has come out to light and people are on top of this matter and she will get that justice because this man, it still amazes me. You are a husband. Why will you be a husband and yet you can protect your wife? Because this man has failed as a husband. A husband should be a protector, yes, and not a beast. He shouldn't be a beast. He shouldn't be inflicting pain on a woman, on his wife. Rather, he should be the source of the woman smiling, he should actually make her smile and make her laugh. That's actually how it should be. Marriage is not bondage. And this, like I say, is an eye-opener for those that are actually in such marriage. Please speak out. Sometimes we feel like, no, I don't want to say, I don't want people to hear about it, and we keep on dying in silence. Speak out. Let people hear your voice and let people come over to do what? To help you out from that bondage that you are in called marriage. But in all, we all know that marriage is blessed. Marriage is blessed. But whenever you find yourself in such situation, please don't keep quiet. Although God loves marriage, but he loves you. His intention is not that you will die in such situation called marriage. You can just try to speak to people and it will be resolved. Separate and until he comes back to his senses. Please, dear sister, do not remain in a marriage whereby at the end of it, you will not live to tell the story. I love you all. Thank you all so much for watching. And I'm happy that she is getting justice. Justice for OSINACHI. Justice for OSINACHI.
Everything's unfolding as it should. I would be more grateful if I could.